November 9th, 2020 lesson. All right, so equivalent ratios are ratios that describe the same relationships, or in other words, ratios that are equal. So first of all, you can multiply or divide each quantity in the ratio by the same number. Whatever you do to the top, you have to do to the bottom. So what you do to the top, you must do to the bottom. All right, so let's practice over here. So whatever we do to the top, we must do to the bottom. So if we have 5/15, or 5 over 15, or 5 to 15, to make an equivalent ratio, you can either multiply both top and bottom by a number to get another number. It has to be by that same number. Or you can divide by both the same number to get to another, an equivalent ratio. So 5 and 15, let's see. We can multiply both top and bottom. What do you want to multiply? Let's simply do by 2. So if I pull this 2 over here, so 5 times 2 and then 15 times 2. All right, so 5 times 2, I know 5 times 2 is 10. 15 times 2 is 30. So an equivalent ratio to 5/15 is 10/30. So that's it. So this is an equivalent ratio. It equals the same thing. So for example, if you were to put in a calculator 5 divided by 15, you'll get the same answer as when you put in a calculator 10 divided by 30. Try that. All right, so let's try the other way. So to make another equivalent ratio, but by dividing. Let's see. What can I divide both of these numbers by? Ooh, we could divide by 5. So let's divide both numerator and denominator. Ooh, the numerator is the top, denominator is the bottom, by 5. All right, so 5 divided by 5 equals 1. 15 divided by 5 equals 3. So another equivalent ratio to 5/15 is 1/3, or 1 to 3. So again, if you put in your calculator 5 divided by 15, whatever that equals will be the same as when you put in 1 divided by 3. And it'll be the same as when you put in 10 divided by 30. That's it. That's how we can get equivalent ratios, by multiplying or dividing. Not adding or subtracting, only by multiplying or dividing. The numerator, the top, and the denominator, the bottom, by the same number to get another number. Great job.